Alright guys, I finally did it. So I create my ebook store using a sales.com. I will explain what this is about and everything. So this is my website is called 99ebook.co.uk. This is available international, but I want to get the 99books.com, but it's already taken, so I'll go with the .co.uk, focusing on UK, then expanded into international, but you can buy an ebook anywhere from any part of the country. So you can see there's a simple website. You have a home section, there's a different category. Up to now I uploaded around 49 ebook there. I had to upload more, but it's just in order to launch the site I just uploaded 49 ebooks. And you can see from here it's about Bitcoin, blogging, diet, productivity, self-help, social media marketing, stress, and a lot more category to come. And there's a search button. They can search. If they click it, it is take you here. They can search anything they want. You can see it from here. And there's a blog section. I'm gonna explain you guys. So if you download some of the ebook, you can't get the product image. You can't change the product image, first of all. The second is some of them have a landscape model of ebook. Some of them have in a stacked version, but if you want to upload it to your own website, you need to have a professional looking picture. So what I do basically, if the ebook is provided landscape image like these ones is alright, but these ones are like a stacked version, so I put it on Canva and readjust. I didn't change anything, just crop the image into square, so in order to look professional. That's what I do. That's a little bit additional work, but it's worth it, guys. So you can see a shop by item. You can see all the ebooks that are available at the moment. It will show the recent price and it's the original price, like offer. So if they track in front of any ebook, so it will show the title of the ebook and the sales price here, so they can click and open. So for example, if I want to show, for example, this one, if they open up and inside they can see the title and description and the way they can pay it and how many ebook they're gonna get it. So you can see this is the title, and you will get only 2 PDF. That means there's a blueprint and the checklist and the mind map. Okay, there's 3 of them are there. Okay, so that's why you're saying 2 PDF and 1 JPEG. Normally the mind map is JPEG, so they say like that, 2 PDF and 1 JPEG. The sales price is $3.99, the original price is $9.99. The quantity is here, buy now button, add to cart button. It's 100% Elsa's. So this is the important when you're running your own e-commerce site, is a SSL certificate. That means that indicate that your site is legit and safe to purchase. So that is important. There's a log sign here, so that is important. So this sales.com is providing that for you, so don't worry about that. Now you can see the description here, and there's you can share button. They can pin it or tweet or share it on their social media pages if they want it. So if I go back there again to home section, so it's a simple looking website. I don't want to confuse with the lots of graphics and everything. It's only about ebooks, so they can come here and they find the ebook they want and they can buy it from here. So if they go down the bottom, there's a section is called blog, where we're gonna upload a free article which I can obtain from when you download those ebooks. So you can use the articles to promote your ebook. So you can upload this article here and get organic traffic from Google. So you can see this is the feature image, the title, and this is the you can say the banner advertisement. Again, you can link that to your ebook, or you can link that to a affiliate program that you are promoting with it. So this is how your website gonna look like when you build using sales.com. So this is the back end of sales.com website. So it's similar to Shopify, but it's not better. Actually, it is not good as Shopify, but the reason I did it because uploading ebook here is simple and easy looking, easy to make website, but inside there's lots of issues. That's why I'm gonna try this for 1 month. Okay, I already paid a $29 as a subscription fee, so I want to try it for 1 month, see if it's possible to make a selling ebook using own website. So that's why I did it. So you see there's a dashboard here, there's all the orders here, and you can see the all, if you made any orders, you're going to pay appear here. So you can go to the items and click all the item that is going to show you entire item that you listed on here. So these are the ebooks that are listed on here. So as you can see, some of them start to get organic traffic. There's a two views. This one is a 1, this one get 3 views here. So you started to get some organic traffic here. The category section, where you can make your category to put your ebook inside. There's a customer and discount that will be useful when you start to make your sales. Then if you click the store button, where you can adjust pages, add pages, remove pages, edit the background colors and everything from this all store section. And the button and widget, if you're running your separate WordPress sites or different website sites, so you can see you can create this buy now button or widgets from here, and then you can copy and paste this code your own website to drive traffic to that. That's why here. And if I go back to another section, here is about marketplaces. You can say WordPress, you can download a sales plugin and you can integrate your store with your WordPress store. So for example, if you are already writing a blog post or video with WordPress, you can add a shop button and you can link this store and you can make a sales from it. So you can, either way you can do with this. And there's a marketplace which I want to talk about. There's actually three marketplace. It's called Facebook, Instagram, and Google. The problem with this now is I already connected my Facebook account with them. I already linked my Instagram with them, but it won't show you anything. So he said it's not connected at the moment. I don't know why. This is the issue with this website. Now it's active, so what you can do, you can post content on Instagram and Facebook and drive traffic to that, or you can use Facebook advertisement. So that's why I said in a 1 month trial I want to do a Facebook advertisement. So my budget is $100. I already spent $29 on buying this what we call a 1 month hosting or subscription here. So I live with £70 or $70. You can go either way. So I'm gonna spend that in ad budget to see if I can get my 100 initial investment back. So if that possible, then it's worth running for a couple of months. Otherwise I'm going to shut it down and move on with a different project. So here, so you can link your Facebook or Google or Instagram and you can make a traffic from. Basically you have to bring your traffic for that. It's like another website that you won't get it organic traffic from here. So these are the back end of this website, guys. All you have to understand is, if you want to sell ebook, eBay, Payhip, Amazon and other sites are better, but there are lots of issue with this. Like I said, I go one listing is removed from my eBay account. The reason is they said I am violating their policies, so they removed that. So these are the issue will come when you start to sell this ebook. Why I create this website is to sell bulk ebook, because I have access to IDPLR. I can download up to 20,000 ebooks if I want to. I can upload it here and make a sales from it. But the problem is with these sites is they are new. They are take time in order to get organic traffic. So you can do two things. First, connect with your Instagram account or Facebook or Google and drive a paid traffic in the beginning, and also upload more blog post here to drive organic traffic. Then you can convert them into paid customer by selling those ebook. So this is a video about just quick update how I did it my ebook store. So I'm using a sales.com. I can show the website. This is the sales.com front page. It's Australian based website. I think it's an Australian based company, and they have over 102 good reviews, and now they are upgrading every single day. So you can in the future it will become better, but now I don't think it's not equal to Shopify, but you can have a 7-day free trial. After that, it's a basic plans is $29 per month. I put the link in the description. If you want, go and join today and see for 7 days how you can build a site or not. You can sell digital as well as a physical product on here. Also services, you can sell it on here. They will give free themes, and lots of apps and everything. But there's a other issue I want to talk about is term and condition, privacy policy, or return policy. Those things are important when you're running any form of e-commerce site. In Shopify, I think there's an app automatically generate for you for free, but here they don't do that. What you have to do, you have to go to a website like termly.io that you can create a term and condition, privacy policy, and return policy. And remember that they generate one for free, and others you need to pay for that to filter relevant information. Otherwise, you can copy and paste and edit your version. But either way, you can use a termly to generate a term and condition, privacy policy if you want. So this is another way that you can make money online by selling your own ebook. And you can make, if you're good at it, if you're good at marketing, and if you're able to bring lots of traffic, and I think you can make about 100 to 200 per day by selling this ebook. And remember that you can make 100 to 200 per day, but also there's an expenses by bringing the traffic, so you need to think about that too. So if you want to actually sell anything on your website, you need to have some kind of starting budget. So I recommend start with $100, see is working or not. Don't afraid to take action and fail, because if you're going to learn from that. I started a couple of websites, those of them failed, so only one website is going well now with my YouTube account for that, but this is the second one I started. I have 1 year domain, so I can see I able to make a sales or not, so I will update that in the future. So say 1 month later I see you if I make a sales or not. But every day you have to work for it in the website in order to bring traffic, either organically or paid traffic. And if you don't have enough money to make spend it on advertisement, you can do a service and you can earn up to $10 to $20 per day. You can spend $2 advertisement on Facebook. That means Facebook bring around 500 to 600 views and around 550 to 60 click for your website for $2, guys. So you can spend $2 every single day. In a month is $60, so you can earn that $60 by doing surveys if we don't have enough money. It's a simple idea which I am giving you guys. So thanks guys for watching, and see you next video. If you really want to, if you have any question about sales.com or creating a website, leave me a comments. I can make a tutorial if you want, guys. Thanks guys for watching, see you next.